The next generation of Samsung foldables is almost here. And this time, it's not just about the Galaxy Z Fold 8 or the Flip 8. There's also a completely unexpected entry stepping into the spotlight, currently being referred to as the Wide Fold, hinting at a fresh direction in Samsung's foldable strategy. All models are expected to ship with M13 OLED panels based on information from industry sources. If this turns out to be accurate, Samsung is preparing to release its 2026 foldable lineup using the same OLED technology it first introduced around 3 years ago. Meanwhile, M14 already exists and is being used in the Samsung Galaxy S20 6 Ultra, yet Samsung appears to be holding it back from its foldable devices. An industry insider speaking via ET News supported this decision by explaining that M13 continues to improve through ongoing optimization, even without a full material upgrade. In simple terms, Samsung is extracting more efficiency and performance from the same material set over time. This approach helps reduce costs, as moving to a completely new material system would require fresh supply agreements and extended testing periods. However, it also means that devices launching later this year are still relying on core display technology that dates back to 2024. Samsung Display will remain the exclusive supplier of OLED panels for all Galaxy foldables this year, leaving no room for external competition or alternative sourcing. The Wide Fold, which represents Samsung's first major shift in form factor in years, is entering the market with display technology that is now several years old, while the company's own flagship slab devices are already showcasing a newer generation. This also marks the third consecutive year of M13 being used in Samsung's foldable lineup. The material originally debuted with the Galaxy S24 series in 2024, then carried over to the Z Fold 6 and Flip 6, followed by the S25 series and later the Z Fold 7 and Flip 7. Even the standard Galaxy S26 and S26 Plus continue to rely on M13. According to a recent leak shared by Anthony on X, we are officially just 4 months away from the launch of the Galaxy Z Fold 8 series along with the Z Flip 8. From what's being reported, Samsung isn't holding back this year. The biggest highlight of the entire lineup is something new, a version called the Z Fold 8 Wide. Yes, a wider fold, something users have been asking for years. That narrow outer display might finally be getting replaced with a more practical, usable design, and that alone could completely change how people use foldables on a daily basis. But that's not the only upgrade coming. The leak also suggests that the entire lineup is getting major improvements across the board. We're talking about bigger batteries, thinner designs, new main displays, and an overall more premium and polished experience. In another tweet, again shared by Anthony, we got a look at the expected price range for the Galaxy Z Fold 8. The base model is likely to start at $1,999, which is similar to last year. But the higher storage variants are where things get more expensive. The 12GB RAM with 512GB storage model is expected to be priced at $2,199, while the top-end 16GB RAM with 1TB storage variant could go all the way up to $2,499. So yes, Samsung is keeping the entry price the same, but pushing the premium segment even further. Spotted by SammyGuru, the foldable phone has received its China Compulsory Certificate 3C, a safety certification required to sell products in China. In the listing, the Wide Fold isn't named explicitly, but it carries the same model name as the device listed on the GSM IME database. Two model numbers, SMF-F9710 and SMF-9760, have appeared on the 3C platform. Based on Samsung's naming convention, these are likely the Chinese variants of the Galaxy Z Wide Fold and the Galaxy Z Fold 8. According to the certification listings, both foldables support charging at up to 15V and 3A, which translates to 45W. The listing doesn't offer any information about the phone's release date, but Samsung typically releases its foldable phones in the summer. What are your thoughts on this? Let me know in the comments section.